Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Abdul Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So previously we have connect our Flutter project to our Firebase, and in this video we are going to try to connect our Flutter project, or how do we connect Firebase to iOS project. Alright, so let's open Firebase again, and here this is our overview project. And to connect to iOS project, we need to press here, Add App, and then we select iOS. And then for the package name, it's same with Android, so we press here. So we check Android manifest again, copy this, and paste here. And it's optional and register app. And we need to download this Google service info.please, and then we need to paste this file into our iOS project. So we go to iOS and then runner, and we drag here, and we see. And we can select next, and then next again, Swift, and then next again. But I don't have any iOS device, so I don't see this kind of like communication. So I think that's enough my video today. See you on the next video.